and welcome to our channel where what we're going to do today, Chelsea?
We are going to Crombie Park.
Crombie, yeah.
I can't see it.
Crombie Park, here we come. Right folks, here we are today at Crombie Park. Had to pay £2.70. I gave the girl the 30p change to keep for herself. Now, guess what we're doing, folks? We're waiting on Bro. There's a surprise.
Right, Chelsea, what have we found here then? What is this bird called,
We've
please?
found a bird called a heron.
Is that what it's called? A heron?
Yeah, a heron.
Oh, yes. Excellent, thank you.
In the middle of the bushes.
Now, seeing as we're coming up here to some water, I brought something, I prepared something. What do you think they are for, Chelsea Leigh? No, not quite. No, not messages, but
Paper boats.
yes, well done.
So we're going to do a paper boat.
Yeah, we'll see if we can sail them over the little bridge bit here.
Okay.
We found
Game.
an area to play with the boats. There we go, look. Excellent.
Time to
So about
sex
this
it.
boat.
It's got a space card in it.
Oh, so it has, right.
Hopefully it doesn't fall in.
Here we go then, folks. There it goes. Spiz is off. Here goes, people. That's quite a good
There's
one.
my boat. It's got a space card in it. It's going just flowing
Right,
with
here we
the
have to
water.
poke the boat out.
And
Right,
off.
there you go, right quick. We're off. It's away, yes, it's away. Oh, is it going? It's going. Oh, it's kind of stuck up again. Oh, there it
Off
goes,
it
it's off.
was. Goodbye, boat.
There it goes.
You should have put a space card in it.
Oh, it's a great idea, Chelsea. Yes, I'll do that next. The next one we let go.
That one be mine then.
Here it goes, it's away.
Off it goes. Bye, boat.
Oh, it's away, Chelsea. There it goes. Oh, it's away.
Good. So long, boat.
Yeah, of course. There it goes into the distance. Oh, there it goes. It's flying away. Well, I've got two we can race here. And there it goes, folks. Oh, it's coming through. Yeah. Come, folks. Catch the speed. Yes. Edit it together.
It's got a space card in
It's like this.
it. Hi.
And off it goes. Oh, is it stuck? No, it's going. Speed of it.
There's my boat. So long, buddy.
My boat. As far as the other one, we're looking at wedged. Now it's free now, look.
There it goes. Yeah, I'm going to go around the corner and see for the next one.
Yeah, I'm ready. Isn't it amazing how much fun you can have with a piece of A4 paper? Right, we're going to see how far the boat comes down here, and then it goes down this, like a, it's not a waterfall, but it's a wee boy that's coming down, honestly. Right,
Here it comes, folks. Very exciting here. As the boat comes over the little weir bit. You can see Bro watching. There's Rosie keeping an eye on things. Well, here it comes, yes. And there's Chelsea Leigh filming it with the GoPro. And here it comes, yes. Going down the rapids. Here it comes. As I said, how much fun can you have with an A4 piece of paper? Or is it stuck? No, come on, keep going. Let's carry it. Here it comes. Oh, just makes it past that little bit. And there's the Spiz card in it. Can you see it? Yes, the Spiz card is in there. And here it goes. Who knows where it's going to go? Off it goes. Look at the speed of it. Crikey. There it goes, folks. Whoa! Goodbye! It's away! Gone!
Chelsea Leigh and I have decided to be daring and go down to the very bottom of the bit where the boat was coming down. Oh, quickly, Chelsea!
Here it comes. So what is this pit down here? What is it? Well, so this is obviously some sort of pipeline. We've got a letter B on it. It goes away along there, look. Oh, the big tunnel, the tunnel, Chelsea. The boat would have come all the way down here. And then where would it have gone? There must be somewhere. Comes up.
You're like tiny.
There they are. Hey.
We're not really sure where the boats would have gone. They would have just hurtled away down there, I suppose. But there's no sign of them, Chelsea.
No.
Oh, I wonder where they went. They might end up in the Tay.
They might end up way up there.
Wow.
Not like space.
We'll have to keep an eye out for them on our adventures around the caves and things. You never know. Interesting. I wonder where they went. Right, here we are on our way up again. Here we go. Big steps all the way up, Chelsea. She's going to start crying.
Yep.